Updating your billing information on Pandora is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Login. Visit the Pandora website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select billing information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your information. Here you can edit your billing information. Enter your new payment method details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new billing details. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Pandora.